in this video we're quickly going to be looking at the listing of the Synindra project. When is it going to be happening and what is going to be the listing price? I believe that you must have heard this news and we are going to just verify it in this particular video. So this video is going to be one of those precious videos that you might be looking out for clarification, or you might be wanting to know the exact thing that is happening with Synindra. So this video is going to be very, very important to anybody participating in this project. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So like I always say, the oil money, the Middle East oil money, is one of the fantastic projects that anybody out there should be participating in. And if you have not yet started, you are missing. What you need to do is go to the comment section of this video, and also in the description section you're going to see the link. Make sure that you join and start participating immediately. It is a very, very good promising project, although it has so many side effects, the glitches, the claiming issues, and the community is being frustrated over it. But I still feel like it is one of the best unique project. Why? Because of its vision. It aims at a Sharia law which says that they want to be pushing or to be giving out loans for free or almost free to its customers. Now this project has been building, it has been cooking, and it is near listing, and so many things have been flying around, and I believe that one or two must have entered your ears about even the listing. So now let's look at the first one. The first one is what will be the listing price of Synindra. I believe you would have heard this particular news that has been flying around a few days now, and some people are saying that this is the price of Synindra right here. This will be the listing price of Synindra, which is $15. If Synindra is to list at $15, oh my god, that is massive. It means that if you just have about 10 Synindra, that will be $150, and that is going to really be massive. I don't know if you believe this price. I don't know what about it, but for me, I don't know. I don't think I believe that Synindra can cook up to this price. Now look at what this person said. The person said, to the amazing Synindra community, the price of Synindra is now clearly visible. 1 SDA is to $15.74. These are just the final touches before the big launch. What's coming next will be bigger than you expect. Stay tuned. So which means that this guy is expecting that the price of Synindra will be it might even be higher than this. So imagine if it is to be higher than that. Well, but me, I don't want to be raising too much hopes. I don't want to be giving you too much assurances. I will not tell you that Synindra will be listing at this price. But because of the structure, the mining system, when Pi started, for example, Pi was, you could mine massively, a good amount of it from the early start. But one unique thing I've noticed about Synindra is that from the start, everybody have the same equal opportunities. Equality, there is equality, there is transparency in this project. Everybody, you are mining 2 Synindra a day. It is limited to just 2. It does not matter your amount of referrals. It does not matter whether you have referrals or not. Everybody earns 2 Synindra a day. So that transparency, that equality is one thing that distinguishes this project in terms of mining. So now I believe that this price, because at the end of the day, when you saw what Pi did, they listed and then it pumped up to about $3.4. 3.4. So I don't want to raise hopes, but I say let's look at it. Let's just assume that maybe, because I foresee this project as it is going to be a stable coin. SD is going to be a stable coin, so probably it might be around. And I know that they are, like I used to say it, I know that they are trying to crash dollar. The battle of Synindra is against dollar. I have made this in one of my videos, and I keep saying it. Its objective is to target dollar. So I'm not expecting it to list anything less than dollar. It will definitely list higher than dollar because it's an Islamic coin. I know, even if you look at what is happening in the Middle East today, it is a battle between the Arabs and the west. So they will try their best to bring it down. So probably Synindra will be listing over $1, but it might not be up to the it might not be up to $15, but it will be over $1. It will be more powerful than the dollar. Now that is it about the price. Now if you come again on this Synindra Dex post right here, you're going to see what they said. The review of all projects has now been completed, and Sidra Chain is close to being listed within this week. So this was 5 days ago that this person made this particular post, which was 9th of April, and he said that it was close to being listed this week. He said Sidra Chain. He didn't say the SDA being listed now, and he didn't mention anything about the centralized exchange listing or decentralized listing. He just said that Sidra Chain is close to being listed. Don't forget that Sidra Chain is a blockchain on its own, and they have other tokens that are being listed under them. So now when he made this announcement, a lot of people started broadcasting it that Synindra was going to list this week. Now the week has passed and Synindra has not listed, which means that they were not talking about Synindra. Probably they were talking about the tokens under the Synindra Dex, because it is actually the Synindra Dex that made this particular post. Say congratulations to all Synindra investors and traders on the now look at it now. Traders on the Synindra Dex, new opportunities are on the way. New opportunities are on the way. So that is what I said, that they probably were not talking about the Synindra, the SDA coin that listing. It is probably the tokens being listed under the Synindra blockchain. So this information about the listing right here, it has not been mentioned on any of the Synindra official X accounts, and that is why information, you always need to verify every information so that you won't fall victim of wrong information or scam information. And remember what I always say, if you hear anything about listing or anything about any link, don't click on any link with your account. It is very, very risky. Secure your Synindra account as if your life depends on it. Guide it with everything that concerns you guys. Like I said, it is a stable coin, and they are going to, that's why if you look at it, they have been releasing their market cap in SDA, not in US dollar. It is being released even on the DEX. All the tokens that are listed, their value is being measured in SDA, not in dollar. So it is going to be a stable coin on its own, and their market capitalization is going to be measured in SDA, not in US dollar. So it might be a very strong project. So keep mining, keep believing in it. And for those of you who have not done your KYC, I'm giving room to anybody who has not done KYC and you are in Nigeria. Make sure that you go to the comment section of this video, and you're going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Join and comment there that you want to do your KYC. Don't comment in the comment section of this video that you want your KYC. I might not respond to you. You need to go to my Telegram channel, comment there, because that's where we can talk. We can easily communicate. And if you are out of Nigeria, just state you can join the Telegram channel. Mention your country. I'm currently working on Ghanaians, how they can be verifying themselves. I'm currently working on that. So I can also locate your country, wherever country you are in, and then try to figure out how you can do your own KYC. So that's it, and I wanted to quickly share with you in this particular video, so get it right. So that will be all. Make sure that you hit the subscription button, also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I post more videos in this channel. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.